Yo, what is going on, guys? In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm basically going to be going over how simple it is to be profitable in trading and actually start making some money. A lot of people, including myself, will complicate trading at times and make it seem way more complicated than what it really is. In this video, I really just want to clear things up, open your headspace to what is possible. I'm only 20 years old. I'm still in college. I'm a sophomore, and I just crossed over 5 figures of day trading profits, going over 10K in profits, and I'm about to make even more this week, about to withdraw another payout from simplifying my trading. Every time that I complicate my trading, I see no results. I get nowhere. I'm stagnant. When I simplify things, I start seeing results better than ever, okay? So in this video, I really want to show you guys what's possible. I'm going to be showing you guys a bunch of data and statistics. If you guys have already seen this channel, you've probably already seen this chart, but for the new people watching this, you probably have never seen this. This is my 1-year back test of a strategy that I tested for my friend that trades profitably. I tested his strategy. It's a very simple mechanical strategy, pretty much purely mechanical, leaning on pretty much little to zero intuition at all. So it's very easy to execute and track over a long period of time. I did a year of back testing. It took me almost 20 hours of back testing, and I did a year, as y'all can see. It ends with the beginning of January, and then there's December, and then the beginning was the middle of January right here. Okay, so the results from this testing a 1-to-1, a 1-to-2, and a 1-to-3 with two different risk to reward ratio, two different stop loss sizes, came to insane results with a 196 trade sample size. These results are actually insane. We're talking about almost 57% on a 1-to-1. That's decent, pretty good. But the 1-to-2 being 43% is absolutely unreal. Being almost 10% profitable, 10% more profitable than break even on a 1-to-2 with a purely mechanical strategy is insane across 200 trades. We had, I believe, almost all green months. We had, I believe, like 10 out of 12 green months in 2024 with this back test. And in 2025, it's been straight green months every single month. So let's go ahead and show you what's simple, how you can take this information and actually turn it into money that's going into your bank account. So this sheet, if you want this sheet and a video breaking down the actual strategy and a bunch of guides and trade live with me and my team, we have a free Discord. The link is in the description of this video, so just join up. Shoot, there's another rest of, bro. There we go. So just join the link in the description of this video, and we have daily recaps on here. We post every single trade we take. We have a bunch of free courses and free guides for you, and we also have strategy guides on there. And you can ask us any single questions you guys have, and of course all the profits. We've been banking this week completely, so make sure you check that out and ask any questions. The link is at the top of the description. Join up and ask us anything you want on there. Now, how simple it is, right? Once you have this profitable strategy, what's the next step? You got to understand what you're actually going to do. There's a couple steps. First thing is, how are you going to actually operate a profitable strategy? Now, we'll lowball it and say it's only a 40% win rate, right? So operating it, we're going to say it has a 40% win rate. 40% win rate on a 1-to-2. 40% win rate on a 1-to-2 is very good. Okay, you can make money with this. Obviously, if you know ratios to make money with a 1-to-2, all you need is a third, meaning 33.333 infinite percent to be break even. Any more than that, you're profitable. So when you can yield these types of results with a large sample size, you can make a lot of money. So I'll pull out the handy dandy calculator right here for y'all. Let's do some math. So across those 196 trades, if we were risking $250 to make $500, right? This is the average risk size for a normal 50K funded account, for example. $250 per trade we're risking. We'll round up to 200 trades taken. So there's about a year's worth of trading data. So 200 times 0.6. This is how many we lose. So we lose 120 trades, and in those trades we lose $250 each. So we lose $30,000, but we make 200 times 0.4. We win 80 trades that give us $500 each. Y'all can do the math. That should be the 40K. 40K. We're left with, you guessed it, $10,000 in profit off of one account in a year, lowballing how good we traded. All right. A 43%, by the way, would probably take you just a little bit higher. I mean, I don't think it would be much. Let's check. Let's do the math real quick to see. So times 0.43 times 500. So you would make 43K. You lose a little. It'll probably be like 15K profit or something like that, which is actually a pretty big difference for just a little bit of a percentage difference. So again, lowballing it, $10,000 on a 40% win rate on a 1 to 2. You're being super consistent, risking the same dollar amount every single day. With funded accounts, you have the possibility of having multiple accounts, right? So once you do this on 3 accounts, you're now making minimum wage, okay? You're making $30,000 a year, right? After your taxes, you're making that $24,000 a year, which is that $2,000 a month, okay? Right? We don't want to make that. We want to make more than that, right? Because you never know when times are going to go bad. So you want to leverage up, scale up as quick as you can, as safe as you can. So the goal would be acquire different funded accounts from different places. Once you have a top step account, you can have up to 5 top steps. So that would put you at 3 My Funded Futures. You can have up to 3 My Funded Futures and 5 top step accounts. That's 8. That'd be at 80K a year, right? Again, the rules are all different, but if you scale up accounts with low amount of risk, you can withdraw the same amount of money from all accounts. Pretty much the only way they differ in rules from withdrawals is typically when you're getting that first payout or when you haven't built your buffer yet. But if you just don't withdraw your bread and scale it up, you can do this, right? At the first stages, I will definitely withdraw bread as soon as I can so I can build capital to buy more accounts. But once you have that capital built up, you know, $10,000 that you're ready to spend on funded accounts, you can really scale up. The real big boss is Apex. Only thing is they're a little tough now, but Apex lets you have 20 accounts. Obviously, that'll be 200K in a year in a perfect scenario. But remember, things are not going to go as planned. So plan for them not to go as planned. That way you always plan for everything. You know what I mean? Like, never, this is the perfect scenario. It's never going to happen like this. There's going to be ups and downs. There's going to be things you're going to have to go through. You're going to blow accounts back to back. You're going to blow evals back to back. Things are going to happen. It's not going to be perfect. So you always want to think bigger. That way, whatever you actually hit is going to be in the middle and what you actually realistically can make. Okay. So I don't know if y'all understood any of what I just said, but I'm really trying to open your eyes to what's possible. You can make a lot of money with a strat. Okay. You don't have to overcomplicate things. Don't look at a million different confluences. Again, this strat that I'm showing you here is very simple. If you want to check it out, join the link in the description, the free Discord. We did a whole year of backtesting it. It's also on my YouTube. I have examples of it on my YouTube. Make sure you subscribe, by the way, and like this video if this helped out in any single way. And yeah, like it doesn't get any simpler than this. This is the most simplicity and peace I've literally ever achieved in my trading career. And I've been trading for about 4 years. So yeah, this is really all I wanted to talk to you guys about in this video. I'm gonna keep it sweet and short. If you have any questions, let me know inside the Discord or in the comments of this video. Drop a like. I'm on the road for 1,000 subs. So if this video helped you guys out, helped to open your eyes to what's possible, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe. And let's get me to 1,000 subs. Again, I'll see y'all in the free Discord. Thank you so much for watching this video. Peace.